So on the Honda Deauville 700 there's a front accessory socket which is a 4-pin connector, earth, permanent live, switch live and something else which I can't remember. To get at that connector you remove the front pocket here, left hand pocket. The Honda manual I believe tells you to remove most of the front of the plastic, including the instrument panel, which you can do for better access, but if you want to try and get away without doing all that, remove the front pocket. The connector we're talking about, if we go in here, is the white connector you can see in there. That was taped to the wiring loom, so the first time you open this up, you won't see that white socket. It'll be taped to the wiring loom with black insulation tape. So cut that insulation tape off. The connector itself, as you can see, is has got a waterproof cover on it, which you need to remove in order to get access to the connections. Access is quite awkward, which is probably why they suggest taking all the front plastic off, and it's not obvious how you get that cover off in terms of which little latches you need to release to pull the cover off. This is the waterproof connector, waterproof cover. There's a nub on that edge there. As I say, there's something that looks as though it may be a tab here and on the other side, and I suspect those tabs do need to be released to take off this part of the cover. I think it's a 2-part cover, but you don't need to touch these tabs to get this whole cover off the wiring harness on the bike. The bit you do need to do is, the tab you do need to release is this one here, and you need to pull that away from the connector to release the clip. If you just pull that downward slightly, then the whole cover will just pop off really easily.